everyone, I'm Heidi with Onigo Stamping. Welcome to my craft corner. Today I want to talk about Paper Pumpkin, an awesome subscription service where you get a box full of stamping supplies in the mail each month that has everything you need to make a certain number of projects. A lot of times it's cards, but sometimes it's other things as well. I'm going to have all the ordering details for you in the description to this video. If you're already familiar with Paper Pumpkin, make sure you stick around to the end so you can see the alternate projects that I came up with for the June Paper Pumpkin Share Sunshine kit. They're really awesome, and this kit is just fabulous. All right, Onigo, let's get stamping. Now, I don't normally subscribe to Paper Pumpkin all the time, but I do like to get the kit occasionally. If you don't already know, Paper Pumpkin is a subscription kit that comes in the mail. You can start a subscription and get it every month. You can take months off. You can prepay a 1, 3, 6, 12-month subscription. All different ways to get it. Each month you get a box in the mail. This is what the June box looks like. And it comes with all of the stamps, ink, and paper that you need to create a certain number of projects. They generally tell you, and I share this with all of you, what kind of is coming, or what the theme of the Paper Pumpkin kit is coming, and what types of projects are inside of it before it actually before you have to have this subscription. So every month you have to subscribe by the 10th of the month in order to get that month's box. All right. Yeah, so Paper Pumpkin is perfect for everyone. If you are a brand new stamper, if you have seen some of the cards I've made and you kind of want to dig into it, but you're not sure how to get started, Paper Pumpkin is perfect for you. If you stamp sometimes and you enjoy going to like stamp camps or places where you make cards that other people have designed, Paper Pumpkin is going to be perfect for you because it has all sorts of stuff inside already designed that you make and put together yourself. If you are a longtime stamper and you love coming up with your own card designs and doing your own thing, Paper Pumpkin is still perfect for you because you don't have to do what they suggest. You can use those pieces inside and the really awesome exclusive stamp set that it comes with to do your own thing. So Paper Pumpkin works for everyone. All right, I want to go ahead and flip the camera over and give you a shot at what is going to come inside a Paper Pumpkin box. Here is the Paper Pumpkin box. Now when it comes, it's wrapped up in shrink plastic. I've actually taken that off and opened it all up inside it already. Normally the boxes are orange, but this month it's a special Share Sunshine box. And so it's this bright yellow and it's got this pretty yellow sunshine on it. Each box is going to come with a sheet that tells you more about it. And on the back, it tells you more information about it. And gives you, this one is telling how you can order some mini paper boxes, some mini Paper Pumpkin boxes. So like this box, but I think like maybe half size. Each box comes with a Stampin' Spot. This month they sent us black, so that's kind of different. It's just a tiny little ink pad. If I can get it open, you can see it just pops up. It's just a little tiny ink pad. And then each month comes with a special stamp set. So this one says Sunshine, You Are Loved, Sending, Hello, Smile. A little something to brighten your day. There's a sun and kind of some patterns here. So just a really cute stamp set. And then underneath this, in this paper, are your paper. Now this was all wrapped up as well. And I'll show you. So this was all wrapped up like this in this package. And actually on the back of the package, it has the information on how to create this. This is your instructions. So I forgot to pull this out. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. And these are your instructions to make these cards. So you can open it up and it's gonna kind of take you step by step through the different instructions of how to put the cards together, as well as the pictures. And you'll notice this one came with sequins and the adhesives that you need. There's envelopes in here because it's cards this month. It's really pretty. There's some punch outs, different punch outs, and then it comes with all the card bases to put together the different cards. So really fun stuff. This month too, they're really encouraging us to repackage this box and send it out to somebody else. So they've included a sticker to put on the front to put the name and address on, and then some other embellishments to go ahead and put on the front too. So I'm really excited about this month's Paper Pumpkin kit. If you're a brand new subscriber, it also comes with a a clear block, and I don't have mine here, but it's a clear block that you can use to put those stamps on. So you have a way to stamp it too. So really absolutely everything you need to get started if you are new is going to be in this paper pumpkin kit. Here are the cards from the June paper pumpkin that have been completed. So there's 4 different designs, and you can make 2 of each designs for a total of 8 cards for the June paper pumpkin. I just wanted to quickly show you how they set up the designs. They're really pretty, right? Just sunshine and this fruit and just all this orange and yellow and red. I love them, and I love these sequins. They're so pretty and they match. And I just love the way the sequins, like, somehow the iridescent, they look orangey yellow, but then you twist them and they match that green too that's on like the pineapple and the stems to the lemons as well. All right, let's take a look at the alternate cards that I came up with. So here is one, and this one I combined it with the cute fruit stamp set that I stamped on some watercolor paper and then kind of went over with some watercolor brush to make it, give it kind of that watercolored look, kind of messy look. And a Hello Sunshine card. So for all of these, you can see that I took the original card bases and I cut them apart and kind of reused them in different pieces. Like this stripe here, you know, that was a whole card front. I've cut off different strips and used it on different cards. Another one. And this one as well. I love these kind of stripes that you can do over and over again, and that's on that card. And then those sequins again just are really pretty. And then this one is fun. It's not yellow, it's white, but it has that sun. I think it looks like a sun is coming in the window. In addition to those cards, I also made a scrapbook page using the June paper pumpkin kit. And I took the stripes that were in the kit and I stamped those multiple times in rainbow colors all the way across. It took a little bit, you know, of effort to get those straight, but really fun technique. And then, you know, I just have the fruit and the sunshine and some more of those sequins. So a quick, easy scrapbook page using that June paper pumpkin kit. And I also have those polka dots on there, which are those strips of adhesive that you saw, you know, underneath the cards. Let's see. So like on here, they're these short little strips, but I actually put that across the page, and they're not underneath the photos. So it looks like it's a whole strip across the page, but really it's individual little short strips. All right, so that is what I came up with for the June paper pumpkin kit Share Sunshine. Of course, it's too late to get the June kit, which is too bad because it's absolutely fabulous. But you want to make sure that you sign up for the July paper pumpkin kit before July 10th, so you won't miss out on that one. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.